Hello, today we are going to be going over adding interactions into an Adobe Captivate project. So to begin, we will go to a new slide that you want to put an interaction on. Up at the top, you will see an interactions icon. Go ahead and click on that, and you will see that there are multiple options here. First one is button, then click box, drag and drop, and learning interactions. Now, there are multiple different learning interactions. Today, we're going to be going over an accordion. All of these different ones that you may see here are pretty similar on how you input the information. Basically, you double click and add to it. Well, go ahead and select the accordion so I can give you an example of how you will edit the information that you have on your interactions. And it may take a second for it to load, so just give it a minute. As you can see, the configure interaction box just popped up. And here is where you will work on your interaction. Off to the left, you will see that there are a number of pre-set themes that you can choose. You can actually go in and customize it, but just to keep it simple for this basic overview, we'll just select one of the themes here. So I will go ahead and choose theme 2. And to make it easier to see, you can go ahead and click on full screen. And up at the top where it says interaction title, go ahead and double click on that, and this is where you can name your interaction. And we'll just name it accordion information. And underneath this is where you can add instructions. Double click on it, and we'll just put click on each button to learn more. Alright, so now we have the title and the instructions, and we can now go in and work on the individual buttons of your accordion. So to click on the first one, when you click on it, you can see how it drops down. Then that's just what the accordion does. And to go ahead and edit this first one, we'll go ahead and double click the title and rename it button 1. Simple, I know. And after you have the name of the button, then you can go in and actually add the content that you want to inform your learner about. Now, off to the left, you may see here that you can actually add images and audio. Just to give you an example, I'll go ahead and add an image. I have an ash tree already imported into my library, so we'll go ahead and put that there. And you can actually move it whether you want it to the left or the right of your text. I'll just leave it to the right here. And you can go in and change this information here to this is an ash tree, and blah, 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 add whatever you would like. So now we have button 1, then you can go through and do the same thing with your other buttons. And now if you want more buttons, you can go down here to the plus sign and add a button, and you can also take one away. So if I go in here and I double click on it, then I'll have this option minus to the left, and that's where you can click to delete one of your buttons. So now we only have 3. Now, once you have everything filled out, then you can go ahead and hit OK, and it'll take a second for it to upload into your actual project. And once it is done, you won't be able to interact with it here. You will have to actually open it and go through your widget properties to interact with it, or preview your project up here at the top. So that's the basic overview on how to add an interaction into your project, and thanks for watching.